When the current multilateral development banks came into being in 1945, countries like Kenya did not exist. And yet, Kenya is now the 7th largest, maybe 6th largest economy in Africa. We're a big player. And yet, our status is neither here nor there. It is time that we have a new conversation, because the lenders are important, but the borrowers are important too. Development partnership has two components on both sides. So we must have a candid conversation so that we have an organization that is democratic, that is representative, so that all of us have an equal voice on what happens. And that is why when we had the meeting of IDA, we put our propositions on the table. We believe there should be a fairer, more balanced representation at the multilateral development banks boards, so that our voice, our ideas, our suggestions are on the table. That's number one. Number two, we believe that we must go for a win-win outcome. Where do we put more resources? Do we put more resources in expensive loans, or do we put more resources in concessional loans? Our proposal is that the concessional window of resources has many benefits. Number one, it is concessional. Number two, it is long-term. Number three, it is easy for it to be leveraged, private sector, to enhance those resources. The international community is now awake to the reality that what we are saying is not what everybody thinks. What we are saying makes sense, that we need a fairer system.